baby, je suis boy Mad, j'espère que vous allez bien la famille. C'est parti pour un nouvel épisode du Get Ready Show. Et aujourd'hui, on est à Compton, right live from Compton City. Pourquoi? Parce que les cheveux ont repoussé, la barbe a repoussé. Pour celles et ceux qui l'ont pas capté, on est à Los Angeles, LA City Beach. Et aujourd'hui, on est avec mon gars sûr, my man, my homie. Hey K1, how you doing, bro? Alright, on va se faire un petit truc bien sympa parce que là, vous voyez, c'est dégueulasse.
Yes, sir.
You think, yeah? You think you can do something for me?
Come on, man. You know I'm gonna get fresh with this.
Alright, on est à Compton pour se faire couper les cheveux. Épisode barbershop en direct de LA avec K1. C'est dans le Get Ready Show et c'est que dans le Get Ready Show que ça se passe. La seule chaîne YouTube 100% culture américaine. Here we go.
Hey Ahmed, let's get it.
Come on.
Welcome to the Get Ready Show. Get ready.
Bon les gars, ça y est, on est installé, il a désinfecté la tondeuse. On est dans un truc typique, real typical American barbershop avec K1, il va s'occuper de moi. I'm gonna get a fresh trim, ça va être énervé.
All my friends are good and my family good too. Out in Hollywood, doing what I should do. Everything I dreamed, I've been getting used to. When my phone ring, all I get is good news. All my boys been working, ain't no day when nobody's certain that this life is gonna end perfect. We been getting wins like Irvin. We all got degrees in my circle. We all got belief in my circle. We all stay together when it go down, and they got my back like Herschel. I got girls that used to turn me down, that they wanna know if we can turn up. Say they saw me on the Spotify and they never thought I'd be blowing up. We been busy just glowing up. Bones with me and he rolling up. They used to doubt, but they know it now when they always asking if we showing up. Cause all my friends are good and my family good too. Out in Hollywood, doing what I should do. Everything I dreamed, I've been getting used to. When my phone ring, all I get is good news. All I get is good news. Everybody good too. All I get is good news. Everybody good too. Tell me who's gonna stop me. Tell me who's gonna top me. Making more money than your whole posse off of my hobby. Swinging like Rocky. Never be flopping. Never be doing nothing that's sloppy. Doing what they all thought would be shocking. Sacrificing my social life so I can play in arenas like hockey. I've been going to class, then I'm flying away. Week in New York, then I go to LA. Meet in the city with people that with me. My circle been smiling. It's never gonna change. Never gonna change. Next time you see me, I'll be in a range. Next time you see me, I'll be getting litty with all of my people from back in the day. Hey. All my friends are good and my family good too. Out in Hollywood, doing what I should do. Everything I dreamed, I've been getting used to. When my phone ring, all I get is good news. All I get is good news. Everybody good too. All I get is good news. Everybody good too. All I get is good news. Everybody good too. All I get is good news. Everybody good too. when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid again.
Back in the days. Back in the days. Back in the days. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I smoke and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I smoke and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days. Remember back in my days, you couldn't even walk to the train. Had to walk out the house fully equipped to walk with the thing. I ain't trust the handout cause these niggas insane. Pedal to the floor, 100 on the dash of my lane. I'm just stating facts, I ain't living life without pain. A nigga take a life and still got his life in his game. These streets be hella backwards cause these cops be doing the same. Ain't no justice in this lifestyle when you living with rage. Ain't no dropping the case, ain't no changing the pace. These judges always trying to book you when you up in their face. I'm talking in the failed numbers when you making these plays. Best advice to the streets is stay out the system and pray. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I smoke and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I smoke and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days. I'm just out here trying to live my life. I ain't trying to die. I've been grinding so hard in these streets with my Glock by my side. I'm trying to multiply these dollars in these streets so I can shine. I'm just out here trying to live my life. I ain't trying to die. If you're trying to take a walk in my shoes, gotta play by the rules, you can't lose. All this suffering and fighting turn bad news. Can't be out here living with no clue. If you're trying to take a walk in my shoes, play by the rules, we can't lose. All this suffering and fighting turn bad news. Can't be out here living with no clue. I've been suffering and fighting, trying to knock this inner demon. I've been playing all positions like my name is Willie Beeman. I've been sliding with my steamer. Can't trust a nigga fiending, man. I put that on Jesus. These niggas give you a reason. When you living life out here, these cops will jack you up for a check. Have you ever been home alone, know when to call? Cops are beating at the door cause they problems ain't solved. Now tell me how is that disobeying the law? It gets ugly when you got a fucking gun involved. They gave my cousin 12 years cause he shot at his bra. Man, the shit hella misty when you play with the law. Trying to hold the pain in when you head at the court. A rapping life up in these streets, don't get hit with a torch. Life in the ghetto, you gotta ride with your torch. Don't be riding around like these niggas out here is your boy. If you're trying to take a walk in my shoes, gotta play by the rules, you can't lose. All this suffering and fighting turn bad news. Can't be out here living with no clue. If you're trying to take a walk in my shoes, play by the rules, we can't lose. All this suffering and fighting turn bad news. Can't be out here living with no clue. Mai Tai down. She feeling that vibe right now. Oh, I'm finna roll one. No, we don't get out the same. I'm rolling up good. My back was as fat as a plane. I ain't really with the stressing though. Stress kills, let me let you know. I ain't never really mentioned yo. Thank the Lord for my blessings, though. Blessings on blessings on blessings. This shit the time me so many like lessons. You in the court, you telling confessions. You still in the bitches, you not in a section. They snitching on cases, they preaching like Reverend. You talking to me, but that's out of the question. You living your life, but not going to heaven. You banging, you rapping, your pockets not flexing. Flood in my blood, flood in my blood. Got my connections, bitch, I'm a fuck. Bitch, I'm a fuck. Give you no attention. Glock 20 with extensions. You're broken, but me need some blessings. Really see you out here stressing. Can tell by your facial expressions. I'm getting in my mind right now. I'm smoking that Mai Tai down. She feeling that vibe right now. I'm getting my mind right now. We're smoking that Mai Tai down. She feeling that vibe right now.
Let's get it.
I'm finna roll one. No, we don't get out the same. I'm rolling up good. My back was as fat as a plane. I ain't really with the stressing though. Stress kills, let me let you know. I ain't never really met you though. Thank the Lord for my blessings, oh. Yeah.
Turn up. Yeah.
Check out that new Hot though, man. You feel me? Hot featuring Cali. Right now.
Fuck with you, dog. Hell yeah.
The Get Ready Show.
Bon les gars, vous l'avez vu, la coupe est juste dingue. Juste avant de faire le débrief, je vous rappelle que si vous avez des lieux, des endroits qui n'ont rien à me proposer, c'est sur mes réseaux sociaux que ça se passe. Hit me on my social networks, Medland on Facebook, Twitter et Instagram. N'hésitez pas également si vous avez kiffé cette vidéo, vous lâchez des pouces bleus, vous partagez, vous vous abonnez et vous commentez. Dites-moi dans les commentaires ce que vous avez pensé de cette vidéo, de cette coupe, du freestyle du bro. Dites-moi tout ça dans les commentaires, je vous réponds, je vous lis. Bref, je pense que la vidéo va juste être dingue. On parle de la coupe en elle-même, elle est folle aussi. Mec, ça là, tu vois la pointe là sur la barbe, ça c'est la première fois qu'on me le fait. On me l'a jamais fait avant et ça fait la différence. Le mec, là, ici, le frérot, il est super doué, gifted as fuck. Parce que, honnêtement, il a été doux. Et ça, c'est la première fois qu'en fait un barbeur est doux et qu'il n'est pas agressif quand il me fait les contours, tout ça. Même quand il me fait les fades, il était vraiment smooth, en fait. Et ça, c'est appréciable. Parce que généralement, tu ressors, t'es irrité, etc. et tout. Et là, en fait, genre, ça brûle pas. Genre c'est le rasoir et tout, il a été tellement doucement, tellement avec précision, avec minutie, que du coup, bah c'était parfait. Là on est en plein cœur de Compton, on s'est fait une putain de coupe typique d'ici. Le résultat est juste dingue. Je sais pas si vous l'avez vu, mais il nettoie hein, avant d'utiliser les trucs. Il les a tous nettoyés. Bass booming. Il est en train de mettre du son à fond. Boum boum. Autre chose que j'allais dire, c'est qu'il s'est lavé les mains. Il n'utilise pas de gants, mais il s'est lavé les mains avant de commencer la coupe. Franchement, voilà, on est dans un salon mixte, mais le coin Barber est juste énervé. Le bro K1, il est super doué. La coupe, je crois qu'elle est à 10, mais moi j'ai payé 20. Est-ce que c'est le prix touriste? Je sais pas, mais on s'en fout. Bref, les gars, qu'est-ce que vous voulez que je vous dise? À part que je recommande, si jamais vous venez ici à LA, il faut faire un tour par Compton. Et puis il faut aller dans ce salon si vous avez envie d'avoir une putain de coupe. Et ils font même les meufs, hein, ladies. Si vous voulez aussi, hein, vous pouvez venir ici, il y a un coin pour les ladies, donc vous pouvez venir. Bref, je sais pas quoi dire d'autre à part que je mets 10 sur 10. Oh yeah, 10 sur 10 pour cette coupe. C'est parfait. Le seul truc que j'ai à redire vite fait, c'est que bon, il m'a mis les cheveux en pointe, mais à part ça, c'est juste, ça se corrige, c'est du détail. Donc voilà, on est là, Compton Boulevard comme il l'a dit. Bref, la famille, c'est un épisode énormissime. C'est ça le Get Ready Show. C'est ça les États-Unis, c'est ça Los Angeles. We're in the heart of the hood, man. Bref, you already know comme il l'a dit les gars. Take care and bless you.
Get ready.